Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can enable Bluetooth in Windows. So it's really simple. Like, this works on like if you have notebook really well. So you want to do is just write Bluetooth into search, and you're gonna see Bluetooth and other settings, other devices, and here you're gonna see the Bluetooth, and you just want to like add the Bluetooth, add the device. So you just need to like find it here, and you're gonna see like the Bluetooth and just turn it on, and it will automatically connect. So that's pretty much it, and thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.